Guys, I'm here with this review on the Outre Sleeklay, and this is the 28-inch wig called Shalini. I'm going to give you guys an update, how I like the wig, and some of the pros and cons. And if you like, comment, and subscribe, always stay tuned. I wanted to come to you with this wig I was currently wearing. It's called Shalini. She's 28 inches, and I have her in the color DRFF Red Velvet. And I really do enjoy Outre Sleeklay wigs. They're very good. The parting space is very good. This is one of the stock cards just to show you how it looks on the inside. Their cap construction is very good. You do get a 5-inch parting space, and it is a right side part. Some of the pros I have about this wig, I really love the color. The color is very nice. It's a nice red. It's not too bright of a red. It's more of a mix between a burgundy and a 99J. I do like the parting space. It's very realistic. It's not too big. It's not too small. And please forgive my baby hairs. I'm still trying. And this wig can be shifted some more. I also really like the curls. The curls is very good. It has a natural luster. It doesn't look too synthetic, and this is a human and synthetic blend as well, which I like wigs like that because they tend to last a little bit more longer. Now to some of the cons about this wig. Some of the cons I have is it gets a bit tangled in the back, and it's starting right now. I don't know if you can see that. And some of the other cons is that you can only wear it on the left side, and sometimes that might be a little bit difficult to style. I did have to shift her a little bit more. And when she comes, when you first get her out of the box, she does come a little bit more tightly curled. So you can unwind the curls a little bit to give it a more wavy effect. Some of the other cons I have about this wig is it can be very long. Shalini is 28 inches, which it mentions on the stock card, which is really good. I like when they tell you how long the inches are. And for reference, I'm 5'1", and it comes down to about my lower back. That can be a lot of hair, especially during the summer times. But another probably con for me is that if you do not wrap this hair up, it will get tangled very fast. This is not the hair that you can just sleep in without your bonnet on. But I think overall, the pros outweigh the cons. Like I said, some of the cons are it's a very beautiful unit. It's good for vacation. Just make sure you wrap it up. I've never got this unit wet before, and this is all the hair to the front. So once again, it is a lot of hair. It's very thick, but one major pro of the Sleeklay wigs is that it does actually stay sleek, and it doesn't matter if your braids are kind of large, which my braids are under here, but it lays really sleek. You can't even tell. And so I feel like if the wig is not laying flat enough for you, you can also go in with a little bit of mousse, which is sometimes what I do. And I may have a styling video later to put some mousse in it, and I'm gonna come back to you guys with an update as well to show you how long the wig lasts. So far, I've had this in for 3 days, and so far so good. I just simply tie it up at night, and usually I tie it up in a bun, throw my bonnet on, and that's it. And so that's basically a good pro for me. Very thick wig, but it's pretty light. Like, it does have a very lightweight, almost yucky, but still a silky texture. Not too silky. I feel that silky hair kind of gets tangled a little bit more. And I also do like the baby hairs. I don't know how to properly lay my baby hair sometimes. It can be very difficult. And the hairline is pretty natural. Like, I didn't have to pluck anything because I'm not really all for the plucking and things like that. But I really enjoy this wig, and hopefully you guys can pick this up. Once again, it's the Outre Sleep part in Shalini, and it's 28 inches long, and hopefully you guys like it and pick her up. Bye bye.